This is Stanley 2-cup cook set. It is made in 1880 stainless steel, means that it's food safe and it's never rust and BPA free. And you got a vented lid, 2 nesting cups and a pot, basically the cup. So let's open this. So basically this is the vent, and there's another vent right here. Okay, it's pretty tight. All right, and this is the lid. You have the little handle. This is the menu. You got these 2 small cups. These 2 cups are plastic, and it said BPA free, and it's very heavy duty. For the weight, it's not too heavy, but still got some weight on there. So the total weight is 200 grams. Overall, I think the quality is no problem at all. It's very sturdy and very handy. Got 2 big cups, so just 1 set for 2 persons. It's no problem. And just make sure that before you use, give it a good wash. Alright, hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.